Welcome back to the charts. It is 3 a.m., the heart of the London kill zone. Today we are dissecting a high-conviction short on the NQ. Notice the price action. Most retail traders are buying the breakout, but as an ICT student, I was watching the liquidity sweep at the buy-side liquidity line. We've hit a premium zone, and the algorithm shifted the structure. In this video, I'm not just taking a trade, I'm managing a position. Watch how I manage the entry, then scale in aggressively as the trend confirms our bias. We'll cover the importance of risk management, taking partials at the sell side's liquidity pool, and why discipline is the only thing that separates a funded trader from the rest. No distractions, just pure tape reading. Let's get into the execution. And that is the session. We walk away with a win, but more importantly, we walk away with our discipline intact. Many of you watching might be focused on the dollar amount, but the real profit today was the execution. Notice how we didn't panic when the NQ pulled back against our first entry. We understood the draw on liquidity. We knew the algorithm was reaching for that sell-side pull. Scaling into a trade isn't about greed. It's about confidence in your analysis. If you can't trust your model enough to add to a winner, you don't have a model. You have a hope. As ICT teaches us, the market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Stop looking for the Holy Grail indicator. The Holy Grail is your ability to sit on your hands and wait for the time and price to align. If the setup isn't there, there is no trade. Go back to your charts. Review this session. Study the displacement. And ask yourself, did you trade your plan today, or did you trade your emotions? Stay disciplined. Protect your capital. And I will see you in the next kill zone. Good luck and good trading, and always remember our first rule: preserve the capital and be safe.